Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open the App Store and search for Visual Studio for Mac. Alternatively, download the installer from Microsoft and run the DMG installer. Confirm you have macOS 12 or later and at least 5 GB free disk space. Install the Net SDK 7.0 from .NET, Microsoft, .com before launching Visual Studio. Sign in with your Microsoft account to enable licenses and sync settings across devices. Choose workloads like NetMAUI, ASP, Net, or Xamarin during setup to save time. Restart your MacBook and open Visual Studio and go to Preferences to configure IDE behavior and tooling. Set your theme, font size, and key bindings for comfortable coding sessions. Install extensions like C# support, Git integration, and Docker tools from the gallery. Configure Git, add your name and email, and set SSH keys in ~. SSH for authentication. Adjust build configurations to debug or release and target the correct NET version. Pin frequently used projects and enable automatic updates to keep the IDE current. Enable code formatting on save to maintain consistent style across files. Create a new project using templates for console, web, or mobile from the New Project wizard. Restore NuGet packages and build the solution with the Build menu or CMD+B shortcut. Set breakpoints by clicking the gutter and run the debugger using the play button. Inspect variables in the locals window and watch expressions to monitor runtime values. Use the immediate window to evaluate expressions and modify variables during a debugging session. Export logs and use the diagnostics tools to find performance issues and memory leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.